Hey guys, Ash here from C4E Tech, and today we've got the Redmi Note 11 Pro with us. So in this video, let's go ahead, unbox it and take a look at what Redmi has to offer with their latest Note 11 Pro. Now guys, there is also a Note 11 Pro Plus. The only difference between this and the Pro Plus is that this has a larger capacity battery that has a little bit of a higher speed charger. So anyways, just wanted to get that out right away. So let's go ahead, get this one unboxed. My name's Ash, you're watching C4E Tech, and if you do end up liking what you see here, thumbs up, subscribe, turn on notifications by hitting that bell icon. So this is the Redmi Note 11 Pro box, pretty standard Redmi branding. We've got the Note 11 Pro mentioned in gold. We've got the Redmi branding. There is a 67-watt charger in the box like I mentioned. We've got more Redmi Note 11 Pro branding to the sides. Sound by JBL, Dolby Atmos. Let's go ahead, open this box up. So we've got a cardboard insert here with the Redmi logo. So inside we've got a SIM ejector pin, a quick start guide as always, and there is a soft case. So pretty regular stuff. Now coming to the phone itself, this is the Redmi Note 11 Pro. We've got the purple variant. Let's take it out of its plastic, remove the sticker to the back. It looks really nice. They've got glass to the front and back, Gorilla Glass 5 to the front. Let's even remove this screen protector. The sides, they've got a matte finish. They have it squared off. It's got a kind of sort of iPhone-ish vibe going on. Not that I particularly mind it. So let's go ahead, turn this phone on, set it aside for the moment, and see what else is there in the box. So next up, we have a USB Type A to Type C cable. And finally, a 67-watt charger. This is becoming a rarity these days. Even on Xiaomi's own flagship phone lineup, they've kind of started cutting out the charger, but it is still included in the box, just like a few other things that Xiaomi has cut out with their flagship phones. For example, this one has micro SD support, it's got an IR blaster, it's got their headphone jack, all things they've been cutting out with their flagship phones. So now the charger joins that list. So guys, this phone has a 5160 milliampere battery compared to 4500 on the Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus. So that is, it depends on how you see it. Me personally, I actually prefer this more than the Note 11 Pro Plus. Now that's because a charge speed difference between 67 watts and 120 watts is not going to be as huge as the actual charging the battery life difference between 4500 milliampere and 5160 milliampere. So that's the difference. This has about 650 milliampere more battery capacity. So anyways, let's get to this phone. Let me run through setup first. So guys, we are up and running here. So this is the Redmi Note 11 Pro. Now, as expected, this one is, there's an update, but it is running on MIUI 12.5 built on top of Android 11. MIUI 13, it's coming very soon. We've seen certain screenshots leaked. It's going to be more iPhone-ish than ever. So it kind of looks like an iPhone. It's going to, the software is also going to look like look like iPhone software a lot more. But anyways, right now, we've got the notifications, we've got the control center. Right now there is no app drawer, but that can be enabled. This is just a standard Xiaomi launcher. So with the app drawer, that's the app drawer. So now let's quickly go into settings. And if you look at the display, this one, it's at 60 Hz, but it has a max of 120 Hz. That's the refresh. The touch sampling rate is 360 Hz. Xiaomi also now has this memory extension option, something that the Chinese brands are kind of trying to make popular. But realistically, Android doesn't need more than 6 gigs. Everything is overkill. Most things are going to run perfectly fine. You're not going to need it. The base storage here is 128 gigs. There is also a 256 gig storage option. 6 and 8 gigs of RAM are the variants available. This one, like I said, starts at 1799 yuan. A Okay, so this is a 6.67-inch AMOLED panel, 120 Hz refresh. Everything feels very, very smooth. The Dimensity 920 chip inside is supposed to be 40%, 45% more powerful depending on single or multi-threaded performance that you're testing compared to the Snapdragon 732G from last time around. So performance-wise, we have gotten an improvement here. Let's go ahead and quickly take a look around the device. So to the bottom, we've got the SIM tray. This has a hybrid option. Then the USB Type-C port, primary microphone, speaker, the power and volume keys reside to the right. The power button has a fingerprint scanner built in. Now to the top, we've got another speaker. This is JBL audio. It's got Dolby Atmos support. Then there is a IR blaster, secondary microphone, headphone jack. The left is pretty clean. The selfie camera is present right here up top in this hole punch, and to the back we've got a triple camera setup. So this is one of the highlights of this phone. The primary is a 108 megapixel Samsung HM2 paired with the f1.9 lens. Let's quickly see how this one. Let me just get a couple of pictures quickly. Now the secondary is an 8 megapixel ultra wide. And then the third one is a 2 megapixel telephoto macro, which we'll not talk about a lot. So anyways, these were photos that I took quickly right now, and they look decent enough. Now, what you're going to be seeing on screen are more samples that I shot around the office. So for me, initial impressions, I do think the camera here looks very promising. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. And again, selfie. Looks pretty detailed, but I think the beauty mode is on. Yes, it is. So reset, clear. Let's try this again. Yeah, pretty detailed, not bad. So that's basically it for the Redmi Note 11 Pro. Now this phone, it feels very sleek. It weighs in at around 200 grams, so it's not too heavy either, especially for a phone with a 6.67-inch display and a 5160 milliamp hour battery. So overall, I feel like Xiaomi's put together a very interesting phone. I'm going to spend more time with this. I'm going to use it as my primary going forwards. And in a week, 10 days, I'll have a more detailed review video for you guys. So if you have any questions that you'd like for me to address in that video, go ahead, leave a comment down below. And with that, we get to the end of this quick little unboxing video. Thumbs up, thumbs down based on whatever you felt about it. Subscribe, turn on notifications, hit that bell icon if you haven't yet. And thanks a lot for watching. Till next time, my name's Ash. You've been watching C4 eTech, and I'm signing off for now. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.